Hi guys, I'm John from SnoLabs and super excited to be here with you. So, what's the biggest challenge with 3D printing performance materials? For those of you who guessed wet filament, you're right. Have you ever dealt with stringy carbon fiber prints or couldn't find the source of random accumulations, blobs, or layer artifacts? Or maybe had an impossible time with printing flexible materials like TPU? It may very well be wet filament. You may see excess stringing, extrusion or print defects, and weak interlayer bond adhesion. You may have spent hours of tuning only to realize it was wet filament that was the source of your issues. Ultimately, this does not meet industry standards. Certain materials such as TPEs, PC+, nylons, and PEEKs may start to exhibit signs of filament adsorption even within a 24-hour period. Especially with deadlines to meet, your costs can add up quickly. You may be asking if this affects everyone. The answer is yes. However, certain areas like coastal regions will face the issues to a larger extent. You may be asking if there's a solution. Well, we couldn't find a solid solution, so we've come up with one ourselves. Introducing SnoDry. We aim to create lasting performance for years of continuous usage. As such, the dry is designed to last at least 3 years of non-stop usage. Meaning, whether if it's a year or 3, the dryer will perform reliably. We've come up with a custom convection style circulation system with a top mounted AC heater. That's right, an AC heater that'll last you for years to come. We wanted to make it really straightforward and easy to use, so we've pre-configured drying temperatures and times for popular industry materials. To ensure reliability during the printing process, we've included 4 one-touch Bowden fittings to secure Bowden tubes. SnoDry also features easy filament loading and frictionless feeding for an optimal printing experience. With quality in mind, SnoDry is built out of thick 18-gauge steel. It has a 600-watt AC power heater to ensure temperature stability up to 75 degrees Celsius for long duty cycles. It fits 2 1kg rolls and comes with universal power capability from 110 to 240 volts AC at 50 or 60 Hz. Diving into the technical specifications. For comparison, the SnoDry is built a little smaller than the Prusa MKS and weighs about 7 kilograms. Each device comes ready for use and there won't be any consumables required within normal usage. By the time of shipping, we're aiming to get UL, RoHS, and REACH compliance. Because we're utilizing AC components, we went a bit overboard and added multiple safety features. Physical interlocks and software redundancies were created to prevent any harm in the event of a malfunction. SnoDry was designed, tested, and will be manufactured in the USA to ensure superior build quality. Now, let's take a look at SnoDry. Starting off with a 360-degree angle, we've added active electronics cooling to ensure longevity in all of our components. SnoDry offers a latching lock with interlock, which means the door must be closed and the lock must be secured for the heater to turn on. Our screen includes a 160-degree viewing angle for easy visibility at any height. SnoDry offers pre-configured material presets as well as a manual operation with active and hold cycles. The idea behind this separation is that if the chamber is heated to proper temperatures, the material only needs to be dried for a few hours. And then it's a matter of keeping excess moisture out by having a slightly elevated hold temperature. You might be saying, all this sounds great. How quickly can I get one and how much does it cost? We're looking at a March 2021 ship date for pre-orders and then general availability around Q3 2021. As a very special thank you to you and the VRRF team, we're offering a super early VRRF pre-order special at $299. And if you order it before Tuesday the 13th, we'll include a roll of carbon fiber polycarbonate with your dryer. We're also planning on hosting a Kickstarter in November at $399. And then general availability around Q3 2021 at $499. So if you were to pre-order today, you save $200 and receive a roll of carbon fiber polycarbonate a $55 value for a total savings of $255. Visit snolabs.com/SnoDry to pre-order yours today.